Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Pulse. This is Najib and I want you to watch this entire video, and if you found it useful, like and share it so that you spread the word. So you think you missed the crypto boom? Don't worry, because today I'm diving deep into Atom, the token powering the Cosmos network, and why it could be your next big win. First off, what is Atom? Atom is the native cryptocurrency of the Cosmos network, which aims to create an interconnected blockchain ecosystem. Think of it as the internet of blockchains, allowing various independent blockchains to communicate and transact with each other seamlessly. This interoperability is a game changer and a major reason why Atom shouldn't be overlooked. Now, why should you care about Atom? For starters, Cosmos has been making significant strides in solving some of the critical issues in the crypto space, like scalability and usability. With its unique consensus mechanism called Tendermint, Cosmos ensures fast and secure transactions. Plus, its modular framework makes it incredibly developer-friendly, encouraging innovation and adoption. But here's the kicker: the price of Atom is still relatively low compared to other major cryptocurrencies. This means there's a lot of potential for growth, especially as more blockchains start using Cosmos for interoperability. If you feel like you missed out on Bitcoin or Ethereum, Atom might just be your lottery ticket. Of course, always do your own research and consider the risks before investing. But with its solid technology and growing ecosystem, Atom is definitely worth keeping an eye on. So, what are your thoughts on Atom and the Cosmos network? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Pulse Official for more crypto updates, and follow us on Facebook. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.